Hello, my name's Adrian Cockings and welcome to Coffee with Keystyle. Today I am greeted with Chloe from Group Uni. Hello.
Hi.
So we're going to be talking today about their newest project. Well, not their newest project, but a project that they have just launched, their show home, which is the Serendipia Lux II. And unfortunately, we couldn't come down from the open house. I do apologize.
It's okay. I'm just happy you're here today.
Yes, we had to come down and we had to come and see the property with our own eyes. We actually came in when it was in construction.
Yes, you did.
That was 3 months ago. Wow.
Yes, it's gone very, very quick.
This is unbelievable, but I still sense, as soon as you walk in, you've got the Serendipia style.
Yes.
Which is what you guys have definitely got for your name right now. You just get that feeling as you walk in. And there's a couple of things that I just noticed straight away, which is like, yeah, that's Serendipia, that's different, but that's new and that. And I think you guys have taken the old Serendipia model, reworked it. I'm not going to say made it better, but improved on certain aspects.
Yes, certainly we have, because we've listened to our clients and our agents when they come view.
Yeah.
So there is a few things that we had to change for the better.
Now, one of those things was moving the master bedroom.
Yes, it was.
So this is now, as you come in, you've got the bathroom in front.
Yeah.
And that used to be on the side. And now the master bedroom overlooks the swimming pool.
Before it also.
It's different.
But just we've moved the stairs on the outside to the solarium.
Yeah.
We've moved those a bit out. So then the master bedroom's a bit longer. And we've closed off the bathroom. So you have,
yes,
instead of the glass, you've got the wall.
And that was another thing as well. The bathroom, obviously with the glass, that's you listen to the clients, because a lot of people that I brought around to the Serendipia Lux original, they all said, oh, glass, I'm not sure about that.
There's some people that like it.
It's true. It's kind of a Scandinavian style.
Yes, and it also makes you feel like a hotel vibe. So there's a few clients that do like that.
Yeah.
But then there's others that it's for privacy reasons. They rather have a wall instead of glass.
Again, this one, you've just changed it. And again, listening to clients, agents, and feedback, which I think is the most important thing to grow as a promoter, as a builder. The other thing as well I noticed was the wardrobe space.
Very small.
So the Serendipia Lux II,
yes.
What have you done there with the wardrobe space?
So because we extended the staircase on the outside, we have more room in the master bedroom. So we were able to do a wardrobe in front and one as we enter the bedroom on this side. Then on the phase that we have behind us, that one we have the entry of the bedroom is on this side over here.
Yeah.
So then we've got like an L shape in the master bedroom.
Which is nice feel, almost walk-in wardrobe style,
Yes.
but it's still nice and open. You don't feel claustrophobic.
Correct.
I like it. It's very nice. Now, you've still got the original LEDs going around here. The interior, because you haven't got a door on the side of the living room, it kind of gives it more space. Is it actually bigger?
Yes, it is.
It is bigger. I had the sensation, but I thought it was just my mind playing tricks on me with the doors or lighting.
This one is a little bit pumped up, a little bit bigger than the other one.
Okay.
Because the plots are bigger, so the houses are a little bit bigger.
So what are the standard plot sizes?
242 to 245
meters square. Okay. And the build size on one of these?
We can say 97 to 99, nearly 100 square meters.
Perfect. And that's useful space.
Yes.
Good. Now the back bedroom and the front bedroom, or the front bedroom and the back bedroom, they're almost the same as the Serendipia Lux.
Correct.
So the wardrobes, placing and everything is the same. So these two bedrooms overlook the pool, and this is on the front. And that's actually a bigger space on the front as well.
On the front, yes, there is.
So you've got off-road parking.
Yeah.
But this time it goes to the side.
Yes. So you can fit one car, or you can fit two if you have two cars.
And that's
which is a good thing.
Off-road parking, which is, again, what a lot of people were asking for. And it's kind of semi-shaded as well. But that's part of the design.
Correct. So we've got like a pergola kind of thing on the side. So if the clients later on want to close it off because they want to put the car underneath, there's not a problem. They can close it off and they can put their car.
So they can have shade if they want to.
Exactly.
I like it. Kitchen-wise, has there been any improvements or changes to the kitchens?
We've changed the color of the cupboards.
Oh,
so
okay.
standard normally is white.
Yeah.
So we've changed it to a taupe color just to be a little bit different. And then in between, we can see there's a bit of black. So we've added that accent to include the white goods into the unit.
Matches the floor, and I'm just looking at the floor now. I've only just noticed this. These are huge tiles.
They're 90 by 90.
These must have been a nightmare to put down.
Yes.
But they look incredible. Do these actually match the ones outside as well?
Yes, they do.
So it's the same size, same styling. Is it non-slip?
It's non-slip.
Again, another thing that a lot of people look for when they're looking for new build properties. Yeah. Has this been thought about? Has that been thought about? But you guys have thought of everything. I like it. Okay, up to the solarium, because we talked about downstairs now. Well, we can actually talk about outside. Swimming pool.
The swimming pool, yeah.
It's a good size.
It is a very good size. And we've also changed the tiles on the inside of the swimming pool.
Okay.
So instead of being the blue, we've changed to like a slight green color. So
is it like matching the style and everything?
Yes.
I like it.
So it gives you more like a natural pool, not a, the blue.
Yep. Yeah. Chlorinated blue. Yeah, I get it. Okay.
So we give it more of a suave look.
And that size is a 6x4. 6x4 meter. And that's with a Roman bench on the side as well, did I see?
There is.
So it's steps going down and a Roman bench to sit on. So it's a decent size. That's actually bigger than my pool, which is good. That's very good. If an agent says this pool's bigger than mine, that's definitely a good thing. Okay, up to the solarium. What changes have you made to the solarium? The
solarium is a little bit bigger. As I mentioned over here, we extended for the master bedroom to be a bit wider.
Yeah.
So we have put the stairs a little bit further away, so the solarium is longer and wider.
Oh, okay. So it matches kind of the downstairs.
Correct. From here to the master bedroom.
Okay, because this side here, this is all pre-installation?
Open. Yes, we leave the pre-installation for the AC unit, pre-installation for the solar panels.
And that's just that space hidden, out of sight, out of mind.
Correct.
I like it. Where's the washing machine? Because I always get asked this.
In this one, because we've taken away the space of the wardrobe in the other one, so it's on the outside, we've given it to the outside.
Okay.
So we have the washing machine and the boiler in the little cupboard.
And boiler, what boiler have you got? It's an electric water heater. Aerothermic, okay. And it's rating-wise?
It's A.
Oh, sorry. Even thought about the energy proficiency as well. Okay, so with these villas, I mean, is there any special features that you guys have added in and you think this is the wow factor?
So what we decided to do to be different to the Lux 1, we did all the curves.
Yes.
So we would match the other promotion that we have, the other development that we have on the same plot. So everything, when you look at it, it all looks the same. So we're going for that Ibiza style, like they say. So we decided to round everything off so it's nice. You come in and it's just peaceful.
I like that.
That's what we want the clients to feel, like when they come in, oh, I like it. It's for them to feel comfortable, to feel relaxed, and that's why we've done it like that.
I like it. So Roldan, this is where Serendipia Lux and Serendipia Beach, this is where we are, but we haven't talked about the area, Roldan. Now you've been working here for the last 3 years, 4 years, 5 years?
5,
possibly
going
more.
into 6.
So that's how long I've been coming to the Roldan. Tell me a little bit about the town.
So it's a growing town, which is a good thing. They've opened up a few new restaurants and bars, and it's growing, which is the good thing. We have good news. Soon we're going to have a supermarket really, really close.
Oh, that is good news.
Which is going to be fantastic for the clients. And also they informed us that they're going to do a shopping centre also close by.
Oh, okay. Is this kind of tea that you could release on here on the podcast or not yet?
I can confirm, and then you can, if you can.
Yeah. So, okay, tell me, where is it going to be located? What shops? Tell me.
It's going to be a proper shopping centre. So you're going to have the movies and all that, just going down the road by El Alba.
Okay.
So it's going to be around that area.
So towards the bottom of Roldan, out that way. So you could walk there. It's a little bit further to walk, maybe 20 minutes, 25 minutes away walking distance.
Correct.
But you could cycle there quite easily, take your car. And
Yeah.
if it's a shopping centre, you're going to have lots of car parking space. That's fantastic news. Very, very good news. So Roldan itself, tell me about what's around the area, because we've got a couple of golf courses as well,
We've
haven't
got
we?
5 golf courses around.
5, okay. So 5 different golf courses that people can go and play whenever they want.
Not a problem, yes, because I've been informed as well that there's a card that if you pay at one of them, I'm not sure if it's at La Terrazas, so if you pay for that card, you can go to any golf courses around because they're like linked to one another.
Fantastic.
So it's good.
Good. And situated wise, we're very close to the city centre of Murcia.
Yes, we are.
So that's
like in a ratio of 25 minutes, we can be either in Murcia, in Cartagena, or in La Cenia.
Oh wow, La Cenia as well in 25 minutes. So we're fairly close to the motorway, and that takes us everywhere.
Anyway.
And we've also got the RMU Murcia Airport.
Correct.
How close is that?
The Corbera Airport is about 22, 23 minutes away.
So still close by. You can still get a taxi and it's not going to cost an hour and a leg. And then we've got Alicante Airport, an hour, hour and 10.
Yes, an hour and 10.
So still relatively close. You can still get there if you wanted to rent a car. I like it. Okay, so this is Serendipia Lux, and this is very, very interesting, I must say. Is there anything else to add about the project? I mean, completion date.
Completion date, well, we're planning on finishing all the developments for August, so clients would be able to move in from September.
And that is August 2026.
Yes.
Not 2027, not 12 months, 14 months down the line. This summer, people could be having their keys.
Yes.
Very interesting as well. Okay, and what are the starting prices for Serendipia Lux and Serendipia Beach?
So starting prices now, we have one available for 379,950, and from there we go up to 389,950, and that's in the Lux model.
Yeah.
And then in the Beach model, we have starting price 419,950, and it goes up to 440.
And you've only got a few of those remaining.
Yes, we do.
Because you had the open house. A few of those were sold because the show home has completed. You can show people
everybody
product.
Can see it and you can feel it. So it's easier when there's a show house.
I agree with that. Definitely agree with that. Well, Chloe, thank you so much for joining us on the podcast.
Thank you for inviting me.
Of course. I mean, this was kind of a spontaneous thing, but this is something I've been wanting to do for a while with you guys in Group Uni especially. So I really do appreciate it. And if you guys like Serendipia Lux, I'm sure I'm going to be putting some videos over this podcast. But if you like what you see and you would like more information, if you put more info in the comments below, we'll send you the full details about Serendipia Lux and Serendipia Beach, because these are the 2 projects that you got for the moment.
For the moment.
Well, Chloe, thank you very much. And guys, thank you very much for tuning in. We will see you on next week's podcast.